Once upon a time, in the land of Mandalore, lived a brave and kind warrior named Bo-Katan Kryze. Bo-Katan was known far and wide for her incredible fighting skills and her heart of gold. One day, she received a message from a small village, asking for help. A fierce creature had stolen their precious gem. Bo-Katan, without hesitation, mounted her speeder bike and set off towards the troubled village. As she arrived, she saw the villagers huddled together, scared and upset. "Don't worry," she said, "I will save our precious gem." With her trusty companion, Crosshair, by her side, Bo-Katan ventured into the dark forest. They searched high and low, but the gem was nowhere to be found. Suddenly, they heard a growl coming from a cave. With a deep breath, Bo-Katan and Crosshair crept into the cave, ready for whatever lay ahead. Inside the cave, they found the gem, but it was guarded by a fierce creature. Bo-Katan fought bravely, using her sharp blade to defeat the creature. With the gem in her hands, Bo-Katan returned to the village as a hero. The villagers cheered and thanked her for her bravery. From that day on, Bo-Katan Kryze continued to protect her people and help those in need. And she lived happily, always ready for the next adventure. The end. Good night, little ones. Sleep tight, and may your dreams be filled with adventure and bravery, just like Bo-Katan Kryze.